It's number 11. Yeah, I drove by before and I thought maybe someone will show up by the time I drive back out. But you see how it's like leaving the campfire even?
Oh, yeah.
Number 11. Yeah, this is the part that alarmed me. It's like it's melting plastic too. So that's probably why it's not going out.
This is super weird.
Isn't that weird?
Are you staying here? Is that
No. I just walked in there. And I went to stop at the office, but there wasn't anyone there. Look at that's so weird that bowl is burning like that.
Yeah.
It looks like it's from last night because look at the popcorn.
Yeah.
And who is this? A clue.
889 886.
Oh, it's Abraham Lincoln. That's not a clue. Ugh, I'm reading it. It actually doesn't smell as bad as it should. But that bowl has got me weirded out. Should we just throw fire on it, or you want to just keep an eye on it?
I'm just gonna call them.
I don't want to call the fire department because
Well, I'm gonna call the park number, see like this number.
Okay.
And try to get them.
Because it's like 5-ish.